Hello guys, I'm back with another tutorial of Maya 2016. So let's start the tutorial. Today I'll show you how to model a wine glass and a bottle of wine using Revolve option. So let's start with importing image in front view. So I switch to front view here. I click on this icon to import my image in the viewport. So it's on the desktop. And this is the one. So here I get the image. Let's switch to perspective. Select your image, press W to move, and I'll move it into minus Z axis a bit. Alright, now I switch back to front view. Adjust my image in the center of the grid. I'll just move a bit up. Yeah, this is almost done. Now the next step is make sure you switch to modeling here, and under this you need to go to create from the top menu and the sub menu curve tools, and you need to grab CV Curve tool and you start making a curve. So I'll start from the bottom. I press X to snap in the center, and as you go close you need to make this corner sharp, so you need to put these points very near to it. Yeah, can zoom out. Again, very near. You can zoom in to see the details. And I finish it here in the center. So to finish it, you press enter on the keyboard. Now let's see this curve in the perspective view. It looks like this. Now the next step is we go to surface, make sure this curve is selected, and we need to press revolve. But before that, I go to this option box, dialog box, and reset before you apply this option. I always do that because sometimes in previous files, suppose I use this option and I made some changes and it can behave in a different way, not exactly what you want. Alright, so no need to go for the details, just press revolve and you get this bottle here. Now from the same curve, I'll try to create this wine glass that you see. You can create a separate curve for this. Method is the same, but I want to show you how you can make and edit the curve, and you can make different objects. So I move this surface on the left so that I can easily select and edit my curve. I go back to front view. This time I select my image, move glass here, and try to adjust the curve. But before I do that, see, if I right click on this curve and try to make some changes, I see the changes are happening in the bottle. But I don't want these changes to be done here. So I press Ctrl Z, go to object mode, select my curve and the bottle. I go to edit menu and say bleed by type history, because history is connected with this curve. Now if I go and right click, go to control vertex, try to change, I don't see any changes in the bottle. This is what I want. Now let's try to adjust this curve. Let's start from the bottom. I want my bottom to be straight. I select all these vertices, press R and scale it to make it straight. I'll keep it somewhere here. Bring all these three vertex is near, very near, and slowly I'll start adjusting the curve. Next curve. You can create a new curve if you want. You can zoom in for the details. Move this point very near to it because this is very sharp from the bottom. Yep. There's so many vertices here to use. Next, you can use arrow key up and down to select these vertices. Select all these vertices on the top and move down here so that it's easy to work with. These are very near. Either you zoom in or you use arrow keys. There I go. I need to put very near. Select all. Put this here. Move down. Somewhere here next to it, near to this. Let's see, you can match this. Yeah, more or less matched. This is to give thickness to the glass. Okay, more or less done. Now you know what to do next. Just go back to object mode, select your curve, and say, go to surface and say revolve. And now you're done. Thank you very much.